Cabin 8461. This is a premium balcony. So as you come in, you see there's 4 closets in this side instead of 3. This one is all hanging. It's hard to get them because it's a little bit tight right here. And this one here, one is safe, shelves and drawers. The other is shelves. Moving further in, you have your desk area. That is a mini fridge there. You got your hair dryer there, stool, 2 US power, 2 USB. This does light up. Nice. 3 shelves, and let's not forget the little bench. There's a coffee table down here. Across from that is the bed. So this is either 2 twins when put together or a king when you, 2 twins when put together. It's either a king when you put them together or 2 twins when you separate them. I don't see any other power here by the bed. But directly across from the bed, your TV. Now this has a very generous balcony, guys. That's why it's a premium. It is locked. So it is really long. So you got a chair and a little stool here. Little table. And 2 more chairs and a little table down there. Lots of views. We are towards the back of the ship, as you can see. Nice views out here. Let's take a look at the bathroom. And no, I have no idea what that door is for. Obviously, it's some sort of crew access. I'm guessing they only go in there in the case of emergency. Old school bathroom, meaning you have your curtain. There's no glass doors. Toilet isn't a great place for someone my height at 6'4". Single basin sink, 6 shelves, makeup mirror, power, and a little bit of storage down beneath. So there is your premium balcony. Let us know what you think of that premium balcony. We'll see you on the next one. Ciao.